Welcome to Module 5, Advanced Skills. Topic 1, Building Advanced Vocabulary. Why is building advanced vocabulary important? Well, having an extensive vocabulary not only helps you to communicate effectively but also enhances your critical thinking skills. The ability to express yourself in a more articulate and precise manner can also give you an edge in your academic or professional pursuits. So, how can you build advanced vocabulary? Here are a few strategies. 1. Read extensively. Reading is one of the best ways to improve your vocabulary. Read a variety of genres including newspapers, magazines, novels, and academic articles. Make a list of new words you come across and learn their meanings. 2. Use a thesaurus. A thesaurus is a handy tool to help you find synonyms for words you already know. Using different words with similar meanings can help you to diversify your vocabulary. 3. Play word games. Crosswords, Scrabble, and other word games are not only fun but also great for improving your vocabulary. These games challenge you to think creatively and help you learn new words in a fun way. 4. Learn word roots. Many English words have roots from other languages, such as Latin and Greek. By learning the roots, you can understand the meanings of new words and make connections between them. 5. Use new words in context. Once you have learned new words, it's important to use them in context to reinforce their meanings. Try using new words in your writing and speech to make them a part of your vocabulary. Building advanced vocabulary is an ongoing process that requires dedication and practice. By using these strategies and making a conscious effort to expand your vocabulary, you can enhance your communication skills and become a more effective communicator. Hello and welcome back to Module 5, Advanced Skills. In this video, we will be discussing advanced conversation skills that will help you become a more confident and effective communicator. Part 1, Active Listening. Active listening is an essential skill for any conversation. It involves paying close attention to what the other person is saying and responding in a way that shows you understand and empathize with their point of view. To practice active listening, try to maintain eye contact. Focus on the speaker's words and body language. Ask clarifying questions to ensure you understand their message. Show empathy and understanding by summarizing their thoughts and feelings. Part 2, Effective Communication. Effective communication is about getting your message across clearly and concisely. To improve your communication skills, try to use clear and concise language. Use appropriate body language and tone of voice. Avoid interrupting the other person while they are speaking. Use active listening techniques to ensure you understand the other person's point of view. Stay focused on the topic at hand. Part 3, Handling Difficult Conversations. Sometimes conversations can be challenging, especially if the topic is sensitive or emotional. To handle difficult conversations effectively, try to stay calm and composed. Use active listening techniques to understand the other person's perspective. Use I statements to express your thoughts and feelings without placing blame on the other person. Avoid making assumptions and jumping to conclusions. Be willing to compromise and find a mutually agreeable solution. Module 5 of our Advanced Skills series. Topic 2, Practicing Advanced Conversation Skills. Writing can be challenging, especially when it comes to creating more complex sentences and paragraphs. However, with some practice and guidance, anyone can master this skill. Let's start with sentences. One way to make your sentences more complex is to use subordinating conjunctions. These words connect a dependent clause to an independent clause, creating a more complex sentence. Some examples of subordinating conjunctions include although, because, if, and since. Let's see how they work in a sentence. Instead of writing a simple sentence like I went to the store, you can make it more complex by adding a dependent clause using a subordinating conjunction. For example, although I was tired, I went to the store. Another way to create more complex sentences is to use relative pronouns. These words connect a dependent clause to an independent clause, and they are often used to provide additional information about a noun. Some examples of relative pronouns include who, whom, whose, which, and that. Let's see how they work in a sentence. Instead of writing a simple sentence like I bought a book, you can make it more complex by adding a dependent clause using a relative pronoun. For example, I bought a book that was recommended by my friend. Now let's talk about paragraphs. A well-written paragraph should have a clear topic sentence that states the main idea of the paragraph. For example, if you are writing a paragraph about the benefits of exercise, your topic sentence could be regular exercise has numerous physical and mental health benefits. Once you have your topic sentence, you should provide supporting details and examples that illustrate your main point. It's important to use transitions between sentences to create a smooth flow and to help your reader follow your ideas. Some examples of transitions include furthermore, in addition, and however. Finally, you should end your paragraph with a concluding sentence that summarizes your main point. With these tips, you can write more complex sentences and paragraphs that effectively convey your ideas. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next module of our Advanced Skills series. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.